In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert PowerPoint in CapCut. By the end, you'll be able to bring your slides into a video project and make them look polished and dynamic. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation and navigating to the exact slide or slides you want to use. This helps you stay organized and avoids exporting content you don't need. You have two straightforward export options. The first is exporting as images. In PowerPoint, go to File, then Export, and choose Change File Type. Select JPEG or PNG. JPEG is great for photos. PNG preserves crisp text and graphics with transparency if needed. When you click Save, you'll be asked whether to export just the current slide or all slides. Pick what matches your plan. If you can choose size, go with a large resolution so everything stays sharp in video. Exported images are perfect when you want total control over timing in CapCut and don't need PowerPoint animations. The second option is exporting as a video. Go to File, Export, and select Create a Video. Choose your quality. 1080p is a solid default, and 4K is great if you're aiming for ultra high resolution. If you haven't recorded timings in PowerPoint, set how many seconds each slide should stay on screen. This method preserves transitions, animations, and any recorded narrations from your presentation, bundling everything into a single video file. Now open CapCut on your PC and create a new project. Import the files you just exported from PowerPoint, either the image files or the video file. If you exported multiple images, you can select them all at once to bring them in together. Drag the image or video onto the timeline and position it where you want it within your project. If you're using images, arrange them in order and adjust how long each one stays on screen by dragging the ends of the clips. Check your canvas or project settings to match the aspect ratio you need, like 16:9 for YouTube. If your slide doesn't fill the frame, you can resize it, crop it, or add a background to avoid black bars. From here, enhance your content with CapCut's tools. Add text overlays for titles or captions, record or import a voiceover to explain each point, and layer in background music at a subtle volume. Smooth things out with transitions between slides or sections, and consider simple animations to keep attention on key points. Small touches like fade-ins, clean cuts, and consistent font styles go a long way. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.